I'm Scott from WarmlyYours, and today we're going to talk about installing Cerazorb. Cerazorb is an underlayment that has an R value of about 1.5 per each 5 millimeter of thickness. So what we're doing is we're installing 5 millimeter thick Cerazorb onto the concrete slab in this house. And the Cerazorb does a couple of things. The Cerazorb has an R value, as I spoke about, and that will keep a thermal break between your heating wire and the slab below. When you're doing a floor installation project over a concrete slab, the idea is to get the wire over the insulation and not laying against the concrete slab. The concrete slab will try to pull the heat downward. This Cerazorb will act as a thermal break between that wire and the concrete slab. The Cerazorb product is very easy to install. All you need to do is have a good, clean concrete slab, and then what you do is you take some latex modified thin set, use an 1/8 inch V-notch trowel, and put that thin set down on top of the slab. Once you get that placed with the 1/8 inch V-notch trowel, you take the sections of Cerazorb and push it down into that thin set. The important thing when you're installing the Cerazorb is to make sure that the seams are staggered. You don't want a continuous seam running all the way across the length of a room. So as you can see here, you can see that there is actually a staggering in the seams on this product. Once you've done a run or two, you can then take a roller and roll over it to make sure that you're getting good adhesion to the top of the slab. All right, well that wraps up our how-to video on how to install Cerazorb over a concrete slab. If you have any questions about this or anything else, feel free to contact us any time of the day at 800-875-5285 or check us out at www.warmlyyours.com. Thank you so much for watching.